Hi everyone. So here we are, another week, and this time another month. Already the 1st of September. Where is the time going? But anyway, we have a packed PKM weekly update for you. So let's get to it. So apologies, it's a day's delay. But firstly, I thought I would do it on the 1st of the month. And also I ran out of time this week. So here we are. It's on a Sunday rather than a Saturday, just to keep you on your toes. So Capacities. They've got a simple but effective inbox and daily routine system. So Stefan, one of the devs, a couple of months ago actually, he provided a write-up of how he manages to read, to think, needs processing as a type of inbox, means of capturing and processing information that he comes across. But I only came across it this week, so I thought it'd be interesting to share it with you in case you also missed it. And in this article, it basically talks through how he sets up an inbox type setup in Capacities so that he can process what he comes across. OP asked in the Discord how users manage web links, media files, and sort of other types of information in Capacities. And there was quite a few responses, and I've pulled one out here from Beth, where she uses a resonance filter with raindrop and Capacities together, and carries out various different 4 steps of how she goes about to capture and store web links, media files, images, etc. in Capacities. So if you're also coming across that or thinking about how to do it, please do check this out, as there's quite a lot of information there that might be of use to you. Another one is how to create a watch list within Capacities. So last week I posted how to do a reading list, and Kuntal, he shares with us how you might go about doing a watch list in Capacities for the movies or series that you're watching. And the good thing is that they use AI to leverage even more information to get into their database, such as director, writer, cast, links, so you can fill out the properties through AI. And also, if you're interested in Capacities and PKM in general, definitely an account to follow, as lots of useful insights and information posted on his Twitter account. Logseq, Dario of Combining Minds, a video on how they import book notes into the second brain through using Readwise and Logseq. So if you also use Readwise and are interested in Logseq, or interested in how to combine Readwise and Logseq together to leverage the power of both tools, definitely do check this video out, because he goes into quite a lot of detail of how he sets it up, how he does it, different formatting styles, different tweaks to make it in a way that he can see what's imported, and as well as what his notes are, so that he can actually get the most out of the content that he comes across. And there was this very interesting website here that was posted with a very detailed walkthrough of how you can go about creating, let's say, how you can go about creating a project management setup within Logseq. So lots of customization, lots of information of how this user went about doing it. So definitely worth checking out if you're also interested in project management in Logseq. Tana now has a office hours. So Matt and Brage last week did an office hours, just going through some of the community posts, recapping on some of the Ask Me Anything comments and posts that were raised in the community following that video. So definitely worth checking out. Lots of fun, lots of useful information as well. So check that one out. It's about an hour long. Tana's next chapter or roadmap. So Tana has recently just changed the way that they approach things. So it used to be a little bit of a black box of what they were working on, what they thought was a priority. Nowadays, they've changed that, and they've shared a blog post with what they are working on, what they see as the next chapter. So the short term, these are the things that they want to complete, as well as an indication of what they want to achieve in the medium and long term. So at least it gives us, as Tana users, an indication of what's being worked on, what's not being worked on, and what might be worked on in the future. So just give some insights into the Tana world. And then Dario, another one from him, another great video of basically how he uses Tana in an unpolished walkthrough, which is great because at least you see the ins and outs. It's how a typical user actually uses Tana, so definitely worthwhile seeing this one to see a real world use case. Obsidian, Danny tests out Obsidian and Morgan integration. It just basically shows us how we can use the two tools to basically better project management and other things. So a very useful video, especially if you use Morgan. I used to use it for a while. It is a little bit pricey, but it does have phenomenal capabilities. So it's definitely one that I will check out again in the near future. 1.7.1 is available for testing to insiders. Includes various different tweaks and updates and improvements. You've got the full change log here, and as you can see, there's quite a few things going on. So check that out if you're interested. And if you're not insider tester, you can also check out to see what is potentially coming up in the near future. And then Tool Finder, Francesco, he provides a bit of an Obsidian review of the app, and is this your next note-taking app for 2024, as it is a great piece of software. And then if you add in the plugin capabilities, it is really next level. Other apps, so Anytype, a video by OP, just basically going through some of the things that they see as missing, which are critical. Very useful video. This just points out some of the things that need to be worked on, as well as some of the things that are being worked on by Anytype in their roadmap. CUAN, they had quite a lot of updates in the last 3.1.4 version. Again, you can check it out here because the list is quite extensive, but there is a lot there, so lots of improvements going on. The mobile app for Affine, it is coming soon and hopefully being released in the next few months. This stemmed from a Twitter post or a tweet that someone asked, when will the mobile app be released, or when will it be available? And the team responded, in the next few months. So if you use Affine and you want the mobile app, hopefully just a little bit longer to wait. And then Remnote, I thought this was a great post by the Remnote team. Basically, it goes through in fact, let's check it out, how it used to look, which is this one over here, and now how it does look. And phenomenal change. Just goes to show the strength behind the team and what they're building, as old versus new is certainly a big change. So that was it for this week. So thank you very much for being here with me, and I shall see you next week. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.